Hi viewers, in this video I will show you how to fix WhatsApp PDF unsupported file type problems. So let's see how to fix it. At first, go to your cell phone settings and now scroll down. Now click on apps and click on search option. Type your Google Play service. Now click here and scroll down. Click on storage. Now click on clear cache and now click on clear data. Now scroll down. Click on clear all data. Now click on confirm. Go back and click on force stop. Now click on OK and now go back. Now click on search option and type your WhatsApp. Now click here. Now scroll down. Now click on storage. Now click on clear cache. Go back. Now click on force stop and now click on OK. Now click on archive and now click on restart. Now go back and top of the home screen. Now open your WhatsApp app. Now chat option, click here and open your PDF file. That's it. If you like the video, subscribe and stay with us. Thank you.